Ni hao, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to another delicious journey through Chinese cuisine. Today, we're diving into the comforting and flavorsome world of stir-fried tomato and eggs. But before we start cooking, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this beloved dish. Stir-fried tomato and eggs, or xihongshi chao jidan, in Mandarin, is a classic Chinese home-cooked dish that holds a special place in the hearts of many. Let's explore the origins and cultural significance of this simple yet satisfying dish. Did you know that stir-fried tomato and eggs has a long history in Chinese cuisine? It's believed to have originated in the Shandong province during the Qing Dynasty. Over time, it became a staple in households across China, loved for its simplicity, affordability, and delicious taste. Now, let's take a closer look at the key ingredients and preparation methods that make stir-fried tomato and eggs so irresistible. One of the secrets to the success of stir-fried tomato and eggs lies in the delicate balance of flavors. The sweetness of ripe tomatoes complements the richness of scrambled eggs, while a hint of soy sauce adds depth and umami. This harmonious combination creates a dish that is both comforting and satisfying. What culinary techniques are involved in making stir-fried tomato and eggs? Let's uncover the skill and precision required to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Achieving the right texture for stir-fried tomato and eggs requires cooking the ingredients over high heat for a short period. This ensures that the eggs remain tender and moist, while the tomatoes are cooked until they release their juices, creating a flavorful sauce. Aside from its delicious taste, stir-fried tomato and eggs also offer numerous health benefits. Let's explore the nutritional value of this wholesome dish. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which may help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Eggs, on the other hand, are an excellent source of protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins D and B12. Together, they make stir-fried tomato and eggs a nutritious addition to any meal. How is stir-fried tomato and eggs enjoyed in Chinese culture? Let's discover its role in family gatherings and traditional celebrations. In Chinese culture, stir-fried tomato and eggs symbolize harmony, unity, and prosperity. Its vibrant colors represent good fortune, while its simple preparation reflects the values of humility and frugality. It's often served during Lunar New Year celebrations and other festive occasions as a symbol of hope for the future. While stir-fried tomato and eggs is a beloved dish across China, did you know that there are regional variations that add unique twists to the classic recipe? In some regions, ingredients like green peppers, onions, or garlic are added to enhance the flavor profile. These regional variations reflect the diverse culinary traditions found throughout China. Stir-fried tomato and eggs also has historical significance beyond its culinary appeal. During periods of economic hardship in China's history, when meat and other luxury ingredients were scarce, tomatoes and eggs were readily available and affordable. As a result, this dish became a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness during challenging times. Throughout history, stir-fried tomato and eggs has also played a role in cultural exchange. In the early 20th century, Chinese immigrants brought this dish with them as they traveled to other parts of the world. Today, it's a popular menu item in Chinese restaurants worldwide, showcasing the global appeal of Chinese cuisine. Depending on the season, stir-fried tomato and eggs may be prepared differently to take advantage of seasonal produce. For example, during the summer months when tomatoes are at their peak ripeness, the dish may feature fresh, juicy tomatoes for a burst of vibrant flavor. In contrast, during the winter months, canned or preserved tomatoes may be used to ensure consistency in taste and texture. Stir-fried tomato and eggs is not only delicious on its own but also incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed as a main dish served with rice or noodles, or as a side dish paired with other Chinese favorites. Additionally, it can be customized to suit individual preferences by adjusting the seasoning or adding additional ingredients for a unique twist. In Chinese culture, the vibrant colors of stir-fried tomato and eggs hold symbolic meaning. The bright red color of ripe tomatoes is associated with luck and happiness, while the golden hue of scrambled eggs symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Together, these colors create a visually appealing dish that is believed to bring good fortune to those who enjoy it. Traditionally, stir-fried tomato and eggs were cooked in a wok over an open flame, allowing for quick and even cooking. Today, while modern kitchen appliances are commonly used, some chefs and home cooks still prefer to use traditional cooking vessels to prepare this dish, believing that it imparts a more authentic flavor. As Chinese cuisine has spread around the world, stir-fried tomato and eggs has undergone adaptations to suit local tastes and ingredients. In regions where tomatoes are less common, substitutes such as bell peppers or zucchini may be used to recreate the dish's texture and flavor profile, showcasing the adaptability of Chinese cooking. In China, stir-fried tomato and eggs is a popular choice for breakfast, providing a nutritious and filling start to the day. It's often served alongside steamed rice or congee, offering a satisfying and comforting meal that fuels the body for the day ahead. Legend has it that stir-fried tomato and eggs has its roots in Chinese folklore. One story tells of a clever chef who created the dish as a tribute to a powerful emperor. Impressed by the chef's ingenuity, the emperor declared it a royal delicacy, and it soon became a favorite dish among the people. Stir-fried tomato and eggs hold significant importance in Chinese family gatherings and reunions. It is often prepared by mothers or grandmothers and served during meals shared with loved ones. The dish symbolizes familial warmth, unity, and love, fostering a sense of togetherness and belonging during these special occasions. In recent years, stir-fried tomato and eggs has gained popularity beyond China and has been adapted into Western cuisine. It is often featured in fusion dishes, such as omelets, frittatas, and breakfast burritos. adding a touch of Chinese flavor to traditional Western breakfasts. In traditional Chinese medicine, both tomatoes and eggs are believed to possess medicinal properties. Tomatoes are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, while eggs are considered a rich source of protein and essential nutrients. As a result, stir-fried tomato and eggs is not only enjoyed for its taste but also valued for its potential health benefits. Stir-fried tomato and eggs is not only delicious but also environmentally friendly. Tomatoes are a relatively low-impact crop, requiring less water and resources compared to other vegetables. Additionally, eggs are a sustainable source of protein when sourced from ethically raised chickens, making this dish a responsible choice for eco-conscious consumers. In the age of social media and culinary innovation, stir-fried tomato and eggs has found new life as a popular dish in modern Chinese cuisine. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with creative presentations, incorporating unique ingredients, and infusing the dish with contemporary twists, keeping it relevant and exciting for today's food enthusiasts. And there you have it, some fascinating unknown facts about stir-fried tomato and eggs. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this humble yet delicious dish as much as I have. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.